Hello guys, this video more for my subscribers about my new channel. Yes, I have some difficulties with this channel, 8 KB best. That's why I decided to start my new project, my new channel with the same content, models from clay, with interiors, with all external parts as I usually make it. My new channel called Clay LA. You are welcome. Link below under this video and in description. All my previous videos you can find on this channel. Also, I have something new for you, and all my new videos will appear in my new channel, Clay LA. My friends, my viewers, follow the link below. Please subscribe on my new channel, and I hope with your help I reach 1000 subscribers really soon, and it will be a great result for me. Now I'll show you some photos of my models. Thanks for watching, thanks for your help, and see you in new videos in my new place, Clay LA.